Smart light switches are necessary for convenient, remote, and energy-efficient control of home lighting. Today's video is about top 5 best smart light switches with Wi-Fi that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Pass Seymour Smart Light Switches. Legrand Smart Light Switch offers modern convenience and enhanced home control. With the intuitive Smart Lights app, you can easily control your lights from your smartphone or tablet, whether at home or away. Scheduling lights to turn on or off automatically, grouping multiple lights, and creating custom scenes allows for personalized lighting tailored to your lifestyle. Voice control adds another layer of convenience, letting you command your lights with Alexa or Google Assistant for hands-free operation. The switch comes with out-of-the-box connectivity and OCF certification, ensuring seamless integration with smart home ecosystems. Installation is straightforward, replacing your existing switch or dimmer without hassle, and it works with any 3-way switch configuration. The smart switch not only improves daily convenience but also enhances home security by giving the impression that someone is home even when you're away. Overall, it's a reliable, user-friendly, and versatile upgrade for any modern household. Now our second product is Pass Seymour Smart Light Switches. The Legrand Pass Seymour Radiant Wi-Fi Light Switch is a premium addition to any smart home. This true universal smart dimmer allows effortless control of your lighting. Simply ask Alexa or use any smart device to turn lights on or off. You can also schedule lights to operate automatically, giving peace of mind and enhancing home security when you're away. Built with high-impact resistant thermoplastic and long-term blade retention, this switch is designed for durability and long-lasting performance. Every unit is rigorously tested to ensure reliability. Installation is straightforward, replacing existing switches or outlets without hassle, and setup is made easy through the Smart Lights app. Beyond functionality, the switch brings style with the sleek design of Legrand's Radiant collection, seamlessly blending with modern home decor. Combining advanced smart features, dependable construction, and elegant aesthetics, this Wi-Fi light switch is an excellent upgrade for convenient, secure, and stylish home lighting control. Our third product is Amazon Smart Light Switches. The Amazon Smart Plug is a simple yet powerful way to add voice control to any household outlet. Compatible with Alexa, it allows you to control lamps, fans, coffee makers, and other devices with just your voice, making daily tasks effortless. Setup is quick and easy. Just plug it in, open the Alexa app, and you're ready to go in minutes. Its compact design ensures you don't lose access to a second outlet, allowing multiple plugs in the same space. No additional smart home hub is needed, and all devices can be managed directly through the Alexa app. You can create routines to automate everyday tasks, like turning on lights or brewing coffee, and Alexa Plus lets you control multiple devices at once using casual voice commands. The smart plug is reliable, automatically reconnecting after power or Wi-Fi outages, making it a convenient, dependable addition to any smart home. Now number 4, Lanbon Smart Light Switches. The Smart Living Illuminated LCD Touchscreen Smart Switch is a versatile and modern upgrade for any home. Designed with a sleek LCD panel, it allows personalized button names, icons, colors, and edge lights, blending seamlessly with any interior decor. Its intuitive interface supports single, double, or triple pole control, making it adaptable to a variety of lighting setups. Installation is straightforward, requiring no complex wiring knowledge, and the switch is compatible with standard single-pole gang boxes. Wi-Fi mesh technology ensures the switch stays connected across the entire home without expensive routers, preventing offline issues even in remote corners. The Smart Living app allows full control from anywhere, letting you set schedules, timers, and automate lights. It also works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free voice control. Wireless 3-way functionality eliminates complicated wiring, enabling multiple switches to control the same light or group of lights easily. Overall, this smart switch combines convenience, reliability, and elegant design for a modern home. And our last choice is Maras Smart Light Switches. The Maras 3-way Smart Light Switch is a practical and affordable upgrade for modern homes. Designed to replace just one traditional 3-way switch, it saves time, labor, and cost, with installation completed in about 15 minutes. It fits standard 1/2/3/4 gang Decora/GFCI faceplates and requires no additional hub, making it ideal for most existing setups. Just ensure a neutral wire is present once installed. The switch provides full remote control via the Maras app and works seamlessly with Apple HomeKit, Siri, Apple Watch, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Voice commands allow effortless control of lights, while timers, sunrise/sunset settings, and energy-saving automation enhance convenience and efficiency. Its three-way functionality lets you control the same light from multiple locations, perfect for large rooms or staircases. Built from fire-retardant PC plus ABS material, the switch offers durability and protection against electrical overload. Backed by responsive technical support, this smart switch combines safety, ease of use, and advanced features for a reliable, modern lighting solution. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.